How to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Enabling cookies in Google Chrome is an important step to ensure smooth browsing and personalized experiences on various websites. So let's get started. On your system, open Google Chrome browser. And on the top right corner of the screen, click on three dots. From the menu, click on Settings. On the left panel, click on Privacy and Security tab. Now scroll down and click on Cookies and other site data, so click on it. In default behavior, make sure Allow all cookies option is checked, then your cookies will enable. If you want to customize your cookie settings further, then in customized behaviors you can click on Add button. Now enter your website, then click on Add. So that's it, you have successfully enabled cookies on Google Chrome. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.